Hey, welcome to Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we have a mail call. This is from Mr. Mike Esposito. Most of you guys probably know who I'm speaking of. I had sent him a couple of Hirahata Mercs a couple weeks ago, and unfortunately one of them was damaged in shipping. So I told him as soon as I get another one, I'm going to make another one and send it to him. Well, he sent me back what I thought was going to be one car, but then he left a message on one of the videos saying that he hoped I liked the cars that he sent, plural. So we're going to do a mail call and see what the cars he sent is, because one of them's probably going to make its way back to him sooner or later. Let's go ahead and see what he did. If you haven't watched it yet, he just did a video doing a scooter for the International Diecast Builders August build. I did a motorcycle. He did a scooter and actually lowered it, and it was the small scale or whatever. I went a little larger scale. But yeah, he also did a little diorama with it, which was really cool to see how he did that. So yeah, this could be a future project too. Mike's always an inspiration to everybody. And I've actually learned quite a bit watching him, so thank you, Mike. And this is what I learned from that mistake. Use paper towels rather than bubble wrap. I bubble wrapped the car in the heat because it's so hot out right now, here and there. I'm in Arizona, so we're 110, 115 degrees, and he was up in New York area or whatever, and they're 100 degrees or whatever with humidity. So, yeah, I learned to use paper towels around my cars that I ship from now on. Here's a note. Let's see what he wrote. All right. Jim, thanks so much for sending me 2 Hirahata Mercs for my collection of Mercs from around the world. I sent you 2 cars back for you to enjoy. Thanks again, Mike Espo, and God bless. Well, thank you very much, Mike. I was more than pleased to send it to you. You know, I like to build other people's collections, especially when they're doing a collection from around the world, such as yours was. Let's see what we got. Hirahata Merc. Yeah, this is the one that I told him I liked. So he gave me a choice of a couple of them. I'm like, well, just send me one, because only one of mine came out. So next time one comes along, I'll send another replacement for it. I like this one because he shaved the bumper off the back of it. It's all shaved and rounded and stuff. It's smooth looking. I like it. So what is this one? Thing is, I gotta find some Hirahata Mercs that I can redo to send to him. I can never seem to find them out here. Ooh, it's a bug! You must know I like Volkswagens. Now that's pretty sharp. Wow. I like, Mike, I like. Is it open? I better not pry on it too much. But yeah. This is awesome. That's me going with my other Volkswagens. I got one from Eddie Poppin' Ray. He did for me as well. It was pretty cool too. But yeah, thank you, Mike. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.